go. Oh, nice. No! What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. This is Tailored Fishing. I'm Taylor. We are here on the river. It's a beautiful day here in Texas. We're gonna see if we can't crush some bass, hopefully get some big ones, and I want y'all to come along with me. So let's go and let's get some tight lines, baby. Woo! There we go. No! Oh, dang, we missed one. Oh, almost rolled my damn ankle. All right, this is where it usually starts to heat up. There we go. Haha. Told you. It's a long boy. Little Texas River largemouth. There was back where he came from. He crushed it. He crushed it right while I was coming over the log. There we go. Not very colorful today, which I guess is understandable. The water is a little more murky than I thought it was going to be. Oh, there's another carp. Two of them. Look at them. Now we just need to get a bass that big. All right, we're here at this next spot we're gonna stop at. I don't know if I showed y'all earlier, but my favorite little skinny water, little river fishing bait right here. Just that caffeine shad. I think this is pumpkin pearl with a little garlic dip tail. And it's been hitting a little bit. We're gonna see. This spot right here we usually pull a couple out of, so we'll see if we can't get this angle for you. There's some gar, that's for sure. But where's the bass? No. Hey, I didn't know I had something. Cause it was this little bugger. Hey. Chill. Nice. That little sucker had it. I thought I was hung up on some grass or something. Nice fish. Heck yeah. Yeah. Oh, there he goes. There we go. Oh, nice one. Hey, come on. Come on, buddy. Yeah. I knew it. It's a long boy. Oh. I don't know how well y'all saw it on that one. Should have scooted you up some, but look at that. Nice, healthy river bass, baby. Hell yeah. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you, buddy. Nice. Heck yeah. All right. Let's let him go back. Get out of here, buddy. Dramatic ass fish. All right. There he goes. Sick. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. Maybe I should have brought some flukes. This one, you know, you get the fluttery action, but that fluke, you get that dart. And the fish, you know, they treat, you know, these sections that aren't very big and they just have like one deep little channel in it. I feel like the fish use that as a highway. And just like that, I'm trying to look for places that I think they will be making a stop at, or a high traffic area, as you would call it, where a lot of fish will be passing through. I don't feel like a lot of fish in these slimmer parts of the river, you know, making this home. But I do think there are spots like with cover or a place a lot of food's getting funneled into that they'll maybe stop at for a little bit. That's the spots that I try to stop at and fish. Well, nothing at this pit stop, I don't think. Still seeing a lot of foot traffic, which tells you this isn't exactly what I thought I was going to be seeing. Usually I don't this far down. Bunch of bait fish. Bunch of bait fish. Hundreds, thousands of them. In that one little pool. Right, so I'm just trying to watch out for snakes right in here. Take this off and... No! Treble hooks. There we go. Baby! Another nice one. Another nice one. Look at him. Heck yeah, bud. Whoa! Almost slipped. Slipped for the fishy. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby. We're out here catching these fish. Let's try this one. Let's throw this just a couple of times right here. Yeah, that sucker hammered it right there. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Well. Very anticlimactic. But that was cool. That was cool. I hope y'all saw him get it right there. Alright. I'm gonna put y'all on my back and we're gonna head down there. Oh, look at there. There he goes. Crane. Nice one. Holy smokes, that is a nice one. That is a nice one. Holy crap. For scale. Holy crap. Nicest one of the day right there, buddy. There he goes. Man, that wind is getting it. Can't never be calm and cool or anything on my days off. No, it's either raining or 40-mile-an-hour winds. So green. What? He just took my paddle tail, man. What the heck? Let's put on another one. All right, we got another paddle tail. I don't know what this is, like a pearl blue. I'm gonna have to look on the package and see. There are some little ones in here. I don't know, just put this on. I don't know if I want to waste it on these little ones just tearing it up. We'll see. We'll see. No! Oh. No! 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 We're done with this spot. He took my tail. This is brand new. God. Jeez. Holy crap, look at that thing. Look at that. Pretty colors. Look at there on his eye. This is what, I don't know what y'all call this. It's I think it's some kind of hybrid. I call it a warmouth. But man, he smacked the heck out of it. Hey. Wow, look at the colors on this one. Hey. My first spotted bass of the day. Look at there. Look at the pretty colors on that thing. Wow. It just don't get no better than this. Just out here on the river, catching little ditch pickles, man. I'll take that any day of the week right there. Any day of the week. Who is calling me? Hello?
What are you doing?
Oh, just caught a fish. What are you doing? Oh, snap.
Right now?
Yeah.
Turn the camera on.
Well, I may not be able to because it's so, I got so bad service.
I want to see it.
I got the camera on. Pretty nice one. Oh.
Oh, hell, it looks a lot bigger now.
All right. I'll holler at you. I'm back at the house.
I'll let everybody know you caught one.
All right. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
All right.
All right.
Bye. Oh, ain't that? Ain't that? Heck yeah. Oh, but tore my paddle tail a new one. Look at that. Jeez. Maybe I can get lucky with one more off of this. Oh. Better. Whoa, he's angry, boy. That sucker was angry. Nice. There he goes. Sucker's a little confused, it looks like. Let's see if we can catch one more. Pretty deep right here. Look at that. There he goes. Huh. There's a lot of spotted bass on this side, I can tell you that. A lot of spotted bass on this side. Oh wow. Oh wow. That sucker wanted it. I was reeling it in fast as hell. Yeah, he did. He wanted it bad. He wanted it bad. I was just throwing it, walking, and then I started reeling it in fast as heck, trying to get it in, and he chomped it. Whoa! Get out of here.